The project is all about context-aware platforms and optimization and simulation. It sounds quite well scoped, but it's very focused actually with only 6 partners. So there's 3 key components to this project. There's CACTOS scale, which essentially is a probe to gauge runtime metrics from logical and physical levels. It is the ability to map data centers and cloud platforms, what they look like in the current state of affairs with it. CACTOS, which is essentially the engine room of the project. That's the part that takes all of this harvested data and manages to make sense of it, uses intelligent algorithms to make great deployment decisions at both deployment time and runtime, and there's a simulation component as well, with the idea being to identify bottlenecks and to understand what happens to platforms once they scale as well. So an example of what that project can actually do and what it can achieve, if you think of wider scenarios where resources are being constantly deployed and undeployed, this ends up with this kind of mishmash and disarray of resources running in different compute nodes. And one of the things the project's trying to do is understand how to do that in a more optimal way. So the ability either to do that linearly, so you've got more of a sort of reliable quality of service involved, or indeed consolidate running workloads to individual compute nodes so that compute nodes can actually be freed up and then powered down, and of course this can save data centers a lot of money. So there's interoperability there, right from sort of business level objectives, end users, understanding applications and what they're doing, mapping them to target compute nodes, so all the way through there's lots and lots of interoperability challenges there. And the guys at the back, the Flexiant guys, also have some CACTOS brochures as well if you would like to pick one up at the end.
Okay, thanks.